Senator Ron Johnson, Republican from Wisconsin. These are one after another. He says employers should be able to deny health care coverage to cancer patients because, listen, after all, our nation was based on freedom. Here it is.
Richard Murdoch had said, even though he thinks businesses should give people, for instance, with cancer health coverage, they shouldn't be legally required to do so by the federal government.
No, they shouldn't. Listen, I don't. Our rights are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And when we start expanding beyond that realm, when you create a right for somebody, you create an obligation for somebody else, and then you're taking away that person's right. And that's just, maybe doesn't seem all that great, but it's just true. And our nation was based on the foundation of freedom and limited government. This takes this country in the absolute wrong direction.
Right. So, of course, I'm sure he would be open to the idea that taxpayers should be free to decide, hey, we're not going to pay that guy's salary. We're not going to pay his health care, which, by the way, Lewis, is what? Government provided.
Right.
His own government provided health care. Taxpayers should have the freedom not to fund that, for sure. So this is yet another guy here. You have a right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, but not the health care that would allow you to actually pursue those things.
I mean, if you use this argument, you could go all the way down to taxes, right?
Absolutely.
Why should I have to pay taxes?
Why should you pay?
How can the government enforce me to pay taxes?
I think that's what a lot of these guys would say. That's the reality. Hey, so Ron Johnson basically saying, vote for me. I think cancer patients should die without treatment if they happen not to have the money for treatment so that they don't put obligations on other people to pay for them. That's my campaign. Let them die. Vote for me. Brilliant. People must love it.
Yeah, I'm sure there are a lot of people who do.